So we're gonna do some stuff around here today. Gonna try and get the Merkur ready for an extended test drive today, right? So Evan's working on getting the thermostat reinstalled for this. This stuff is really good.
Yeah, thermostat housing, they're kind of corroded and pitted on there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put some Hylamar on it, seal it up.
Nice. We're gonna put a few things on the black brick. Look at this. Look at this air filter that Evan got for 10 bucks. Look at this. Upgrade.
CDM.
Look at this thing. Look at that. So yeah, that'll work for now to keep junk out of the turbo. Maybe. We'll see if it fits. Yeah, at least the belts come off really easy.
Wow, this is some very exciting stuff going on right now. Look at that, look how far away I am. Oh.
You're really good at this, Evan.
I missed the funnel. Look at that, oh wow.
Alright, so now we're gonna start it and make sure the coolant system doesn't leak and also see if the fuel system is leaking. Yeah. Look at this display. Wow. Isn't that awesome?
We're going for a test drive.
So after a short test drive, we have determined that at least one of the fuel injectors is leaking, probably number 3. And so we need to change those.
We don't want it to catch on fire. Fire bad.
Yeah, fire's bad, so we're gonna change those. These old fuel injectors have a tendency to leak from the body even though they have new seals on them, so we are gonna change them with some from a 940 turbo, which are also low impedance and should swap right in. Got the intake off. Good job, Evan.
The injector holes have a lot of, I guess they're called ports. The injector ports have a lot of nasty stuff in them, so I'm cleaning out these Q-tips before I put the new ones in.
Those are like some horse Q-tips.
Yep. These aren't even the biggest ones I got.
Like elephant Q-tips.
I don't know if I go that far.
Yeah, elephants got pretty big ears. These are the injectors we're going to be putting in here. They're off of a 940 turbo. They're low impedance, just like what came off of this car. Evan already switched the seals.
Approximately the same flow rate.
About the same flow rate, yeah.
And this should be fine.
Evan's laying them out on this cloth here, like newborn babies.
I was going to grease them individually and put them in, but I got too much grease in my fingers, so I'm going to do them all at once.
Wow.
Just got to put a little grease in the O-rings so they slide in and seal.
Boom. They look so cute sitting there.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Oh yeah. All right, we're back together. Let's see if we fixed it. Looks okay. So after a quick test drive with the Volvo injectors installed, we don't have any more leaks. So all this thing needed was some Volvo injectors. Nice.
Next, we just got to drain the water out of the cooling system. No leaks there.
Yeah.
And put some coolant in it. And drive it some more. So it starts to run better.
Boom. Drive it some more.